Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and in today's video we are going to see a new platform to learn online courses, that is BitDegree. It's a very unique platform where you can learn and earn your online certifications and various courses and make your skills more expertise in particular domain. So let's see practically what are the advantages and how you can go ahead and enroll for all these courses on BitDegree platform. So let's see practically how you can do this. So write on your internet browser BitDegree and click on the first link. You can see there are various options like learn to code, get free certifications online, HTML, and there are many more. So let's see get free certifications online. So you can see once you click here, there are many ways where you can enroll to this course and get any one of the certifications or for either paid or free courses. There are some coupons available even for different courses of like Udacity, Coursera and edX. So depending on which course you are targeting or aiming for, you can just select the particular course. So these are the different programming languages that it supports. Like for example, if we are aiming to learn Git or like Python, let's say Python, you just have to search for particular Python code. Like for example, if we are searching for Python functions, just click on that and how it is used. It's a very simple article which explains in detail how it is used, and also it provides a code snippet for further reference or an example. In this way you can find the features for different Python functions. If you want something which is different related to sorting list or train or test split or variables, you can just go and enroll the same. So there are very much related code examples given along with the different concepts of Python. Like you can see here, there are pandas and Python range to create lists. These are the different practice examples that you can try out. So for example, let's say sign up for free. So this is my profile. Now I have able to create my profile after logging it with Gmail. So in this way it will show you clearly how you can align to different courses, how you can enroll to different courses, and how you can learn new languages. So in this way, if you are trying to learn new language and then if you are looking for something interactive kind of thing, you must definitely enroll to BitDegree and try it out, one of the products, and see how it makes a difference in your learning skills. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.